Have you ever felt the weight of a lie in your relationship, knowing that it is damaging the trust you've built with your partner? If you are tired of hiding the truth, feeling guilty, and fearing the consequences, this video is for you. Today, we will explore effective strategies to overcome the destructive habit of lying and nurture a relationship based on openness and trust. The word lying is always a very difficult one to deal with in a relationship. We all lie to protect ourselves sometimes. No matter if your relationship is successful, still there are times when you have lied to each other. However, lying in a relationship is not good for the trust and respect. But knowingly or unknowingly, we do lie, and we should know when and how to stop without letting it harm the relationship. How to stop lying in a relationship? Identify the reason why do you lie. You can stop lying in a relationship. To do that, you need to identify the reason behind your lying. You lie, that doesn't make you a bad person, you must have your reasons. Some lie because they are insecure, fear of being judged. When you are in a committed relationship, lying is a bad thing, as it is a big chunk of obstruction in building your relationship better. Whatever the reason could be for your lying, once you understand them, it's time to take control. Understand the impact of lying. The first step in stopping lying in a relationship is to recognize the significant impact it has on your partner and the overall dynamic. Lies can lead to broken trust, resentment, and even the collapse of the relationship. Acknowledging the gravity of lying will motivate you to make positive changes. You are breaking the trust of the person who you love. Trust, which is the fundamental of a healthy relationship. You are building a relationship based on a web of lies. Finally, you are killing your relationship. If you don't want all these, stop lying immediately. Think about your moral principles. We all know that lying is a dishonest act. To stop lying to your partner, think about your moral values. Moral values keep us grounded and it govern our ethical behavior. When in a relationship, there are a lot of things that we want to do. We want to be a better person for our loved one. We want to direct our life and enlighten with positive energy. Lying certainly doesn't provide us with that security. Let your moral values and principles help you stop lying from your partner. Take responsibility for your actions. When you've been caught in a lie, it's essential to take responsibility for your actions. Avoid making excuses or blaming others. Instead, apologize sincerely, acknowledge the impact of your dishonesty. Foster a culture of honesty. Make honesty a fundamental value in your relationship. Encourage your partner to be open and transparent as well. Create an environment where both of you feel safe to share your thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment or negative consequences. Building trust and ending the cycle of lying in a relationship is a challenging but transformative journey. Remember, change takes time and effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable videos.